Hi Planner Creators, this is a video on how to customize the 2025 Portrait Affinity Planner Template that comes included with PDF-Linkr. If you don't have PDF-Linkr and you just want to grab this template, then there'll be a link to purchase just the template below. If you want to get this template as a bonus with PDF-Linkr, then obviously there's going to be a link to purchase PDF-Linkr down below as well. And then a link to a next video on how to link it all up with all the CSVs. So let's get started. When you download your Affinity template, it will be a zip file and it will come with both a Monday and a Sunday start. You always want to make a copy. So I'm going to duplicate this and I'm just going to rename it Demo. And so then I'm going to be working in Affinity Publisher in this demo template. So we'll just get it all open. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to have all the pages and dates and everything in there for you. So you want to go to your master pages. So let's go to our master cover. And bear with me because I'm not the greatest at Affinity, but we'll struggle through this. So what I want to do here is I just want to add an image here to this cover. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this image and just drag it in here. And I'm going to I don't want to do that. I'm going to, there we go. Going to make it large enough that it's going to cover the whole thing. There we go. There. And then what I'm going to do over here in my layers is I'm going to drag that image that was imported to the cover. And I always struggle with this at first, where to drop it so that it goes on my cover. I don't know why I always have trouble with that. There, finally. Okay, so I drug it onto my cover and now that's on there. Now you can go to um, your view transform here or FX. There we go. And then you can change the opacity to kind of get that more curved edge. So there we go. Now that we have that cover applied, it's going to be applied to every page. So now let's go to our yearly overview. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to grab that picture. Let's go back to our cover there, and we're just going to copy that image and we're going to paste it onto here. And then we want to make sure that we get that on just the cover. There we are. That did a better job that time. So we're going to do that for each one of our backgrounds. Okay, so now that we have all of our backgrounds on all of our covers, now you can change the other things like the planner band. So let's say we wanted to just change the color of our planner band. Let's just grab a color from our background, like this color here. And there we go. Then that would be applied to our planner, top planner band. And same thing for our tabs. Now our tabs are all grouped together, so if you just want to make them all one color, then you can do that with them selected. If you wanted to make individual colors, then you would just open up each tab and change each tab there. So you would do that for each one of your master pages, and then those pages are it's all going to be applied to all of your pages that you make those changes to down here. And then you just export that as a PDF. And you want PDF. A PDF for print is fine. And we're just going to say export, and then it takes a pretty long time to do that. So then you just save.